All right, so in this SAT practice question, the question says the equation 46 is equal to 2a plus 2b gives the relationship between the side lengths A and B of a certain parallelogram. One thing about a parallelogram is the opposite side are of equal length, actually. So this is just giving us the relationship between the length and the width of that parallelogram. So it's just an equation that requires substitution. So the equation is what? 46 is equal to what? 2a plus what? 2b. Now the question says if a is equal to 9, what is the value of b? So when what? When a is equal to 9, what it implies is wherever we see a in this equation, we substitute it with 9. So we have what? 46 is equal to what? 2 into brackets 9, right? Plus what? 2b. So we have what? 46 is equal to 2 times 9. 2 into bracket 9 is basically 2 times 9, which is equal to 18 plus what? 2b. So we collect like times, we bring 18 here. So if we bring it that way, that would be what? 46 minus what? 18 is equal to what? 2b. And 46 minus 18 will give us what? 28 is equal to 2b. Divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 2. Divide by 2, this cancel this. So 28 divided by 2, that is 14. 14 is equal to b. So this implies that b is equal to what? 14. So the other side length is equal to what? 14. I want to believe this video has helped. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.